Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create schedule on Google Docs. Alright, let's get into it here. I have opened my Google application on my laptop, and let's just open the Google Doc first. We can click on this button and then we can scroll down until we find the Google Docs, and this is the Google Docs, so just tap on it and we can create blank document by clicking on this plus button. Then the blank document will be created on our Google Docs. Okay, and if we want to create schedule, we have to insert table, guys. We can click on insert right here, then just click on table, and you can choose how many rows and how many columns that you want to add to your table. And for example, I'm going to add 8 columns and 5 rows like this. Okay, and now the table has been created and we can edit this table to make schedule. And I'm going to add Sunday and Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the last one is Saturday. And this is for the time, guys. I'm going to start with 7 a.m., then 8 a.m., and 9 a.m., and also 10 a.m. And if you want to add more rows, we just need to select the rows like this. Then we can right click, then click on insert row below or above. And I'm just going to insert row below, and I'm going to add 11 a.m. then just insert one row, again insert row below. Okay, and I'm going to add 12 a.m. Okay, and to make our schedule more interesting or more captivating, we can add color to this row. So just right click, then we can click on table properties right here, then we can click on color because we want to put color to our table. And I'm going to change the cell background color, so just click on it, then I'm going to select this one, guys. Okay, and for this column, I'm going to change it as well. I'm going to select this one. Okay, and I just pick random color, guys. You can choose the color that you like. You can also change the text style, you know. We can select the font that we like, and I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and for this column as well, select this font as well. Okay, and we can edit the schedule as we want, guys. For example, on Sunday at 7 a.m. I'm going to put laundry like this, and for Monday I'm going to add English class. Okay, alright guys, and that's how basically we can create schedule on Google Docs. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.